Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed on the topic range. So today we'll be discussing on the topic DQ, data structure, right? So a DQ, also known as double-ended queue, allows adding or removing the elements from both ends, right? So again, a DQ or the double-ended queue allows adding or removing the elements from both ends. Just keep this in mind, right? So one more thing I want to tell you. So for the this thing, for the Java, we have uh, had done a beginner course, right? So that one you can go for the data structure, right? If you want to learn in Java. And for the JavaScript, I have done most of the things in JavaScript itself initially. So you can just go through my LinkedIn post where I have saved all the data structure, this one. All the data structures and its time complexity and the space complexity as well, right? Every topic is there, so I can just go through that. It'll it'll be really helpful, right? For the Python we are doing the videos now currently, right? So we are discussing about the Python data structure currently, right? So I just wanted to tell you this. We have I have different playlists, you can just check, right, for the Java and JavaScript as well, right? So I just wanted to tell you regarding the same. So one thing, again, a DQ, also known as double-ended queue, allows adding or removing the elements from both ends. Imported, so this is imported from the collections module faster than lists for appending or popping from both ends. Again, faster than lists for appending or popping from the both ends, right? So this is about the DQ, right? So basically one more thing I'm stressing on it, this is imported from the collections module, whether it may be default dictionary, ordered dictionary, this one. So these are all the things that are imported from the collections module, right? So I forgot some of them were counter is also imported from the this one collections module. Ordered dictionary, default dictionary, I have said, and chain map is also this one imported from the collections module. So we'll be going with the same. Next I'll be going with the counter, default dictionary, order dictionary, and chain map. These are the data structures uh, that are imported from the collections module. Just keep this in mind. Next five, including this one, next four topics will be we will be considering that are imported from the collections module itself, right? So let's get into the example part. I'll consider a very simple example here. So I'll just go with from collections. Let me import DQ here. So this one will be DQ. This is fine. So now let's create the DQ, man. So I'll just go with DQ equals DQ of this one. I'll just pass the numbers 1, 2, 3. This is fine. Next, let's add to the right. Let's add to the right the last element, means let's append the element to the right. Basically, I'll just go with DQ. We have the append keyword. We have already discussed about the append keyword as well. So I'll just go with the DQ.append 4. So for the interaction, I'll just go with the print of DQ. This is fine. Yep. Next, let me do one thing. Let's add to the left, right? So we DQ provides directly this one operation called append left. So we can just go with that as well. So I'll just go with DQ dot append left. This was showing in the suggestions, right? So I'll just append some random number. I'll just go with a 0, right? So this one now, accordingly with this one, we have to get the output 1, 2, 3, 4. We have appended 4 to the right. So now I'm appending 0 to the left. This one has to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So I'll just go with print DQ. This is fine. So the final one, not the final one, basically the last two ones, let's remove from the right and let's remove from the left. Let's see. So for removing from the right, we can just go with a pop operation, right? Pop operation that the DQ provides. So I'll just go with, for the interactiveness, I'll just go with a print PQ. Sorry, DQ, right? So I always get confused with the PQ, priority queue. So this is fine. Now let's remove from the left. To remove from the left, we can just go with a DQ dot pop left. Pop left operation, right? So I'll just go with here print of DQ. That's it. Yeah, simple ones, right? So we are appending to the right. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4. And we are appending to the left. This will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 now. So we are popping the rightmost element, nothing but 4. Again, it will be 0, 1, 2, 3. Then we are popping the left, nothing but 0. Again, will be left with 1, 2, 3. Right? Simple. These are the four operations you have to keep in mind, man. Right? Append, append left, pop, and pop left. Simple ones. Yeah. right? So this is fine. So let me do one thing. Let's run the code, right? So I'll just go with the Python here. Let me right click, rename, copy. Let me paste it over here. Dot file name dot py. Right? See here, 1 2 3 4 after appending. So after appending to the right, the last element is 4. After appending to the left, the first element is 0 here. 0 1 2 3 4. Next, we are removing the rightmost element, nothing but 4 here by making use of pop. We are left with only 0 1 2 3. We have removed 4. Finally, by making use of the pop left, we are removing the first element, nothing but 0. We are left with 1 2 3, the same as before, right? So the first this thing, dequeue, right? So this is fine. I hope the dequeue concept is completely clear. These operations, just keep these 4 operations in the mind, right? Very simple, right? So one main advantage of the Python is the syntax is very easy, man. And I'm not gonna lie, when compared to I have mainly worked, or till now I have mainly worked on this thing. Whether it may be personal projects, whether it may be working in the company projects, anything. So I have worked mainly on the this one JavaScript, Java, right? So this is comparatively, this is very easy. And I had coded in the CPP as well, right? So CPP, mainly Java and JavaScript, a bit of CPP, right? So comparatively to those languages, Python syntax is extremely easy, I'm not gonna lie, right? So this is fine. Now yeah, basically we are done with the DQ part, or the DQ topic. So let me summarize whatever we have learned so far. So just keep this one thing in the mind. DQ is a double-ended queue for fast addition or removal at both the ends, right? So this will be very helpful in solving the problem. When you are solving certain problems, so this will be very helpful, because additions and removals are, we can add or remove from both the ends. So this is one of the this one, right, biggest advantage that we have when we make use of the DQ, right? uh, yeah, DQ is double-ended queue for fast additions or removals at both the ends. Just keep this in mind, right? So we are done with the DQ part, right? So next we will be discussing on the counter topic, right? So this is also imported from the collections module. This one counter I'm speaking of, right? For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.